And I think the recovery is probably best suited for the total hip, which is my favorite surgery in the world. It was dubbed the surgery of the decade because the results are that good. There's, like any surgery, the risk of complications, but with a total hip replacement, if you have truly bad hip arthritis before surgery and we replace the hip, which is done with a fake femoral head and a fake cup that are made to get stuck into the bone and have the bone grow into them, you will wake up.
And this is made out of metal, correct?
Yep, this is metal. It gets a nice little plastic coat, which is hard to see on the inside. And then you get a stem that's, again, metal that goes down into the femur. That, again, if you feel that, is rough. So if you feel it, it's nice and rough. And that's, again, designed so that the bone grows into it.
Under a microscope, that looks very much like bone looks like under a microscope. And it tricks the bone, and bone actually grows into it and welds to it.
Excellent point. And this right here is actually a fancy type of ceramic that's made. If you hit a driver with this, you take it to the golf range, it'll go farther than any golf ball that you make, but it will destroy your driver. It is made to last your lifetime.
Ceramic is a super hard material. It's brittle. If you jump off a bridge, and it'll break, but the typical forces that were required to break modern ceramics are almost impossible to fracture.
Right. It's similar to the fake diamond that you get in a ring, the cubit zirconium.
Yeah. Very hard, very smooth, decreased friction, more likely to last your lifetime.
And that is how the hip rocks back and forth after surgery, but when you wake up after a hip replacement, your pain, as Dr. Perlmutter was saying, is zero in your hip. That pain is gone immediately. You'll have the pain from the surgery, which is minimal and very tolerable by most patients, but the hip pain is zero after the surgery.